When we pull the old product off, those are all where the potential leak areas are. We're hyper analyzing those areas to see, was there water penetration before? All right, we're back in Wrightsville, PA at our Cedar Shake project here. We are right about 55% complete on this project. So most of the roof is torn off and about half of it's been installed already. There hasn't been any surprises. So it's all been pretty straightforward. Some of the unknowns were tying into the stone chimneys and that mortar. Anytime we have to tie a roof into pre-existing mortar or stone, there's always kind of a question of how's that going to work. When we pulled the old stuff off, and all of that went really well on this project. As we go through the project, and definitely at the midway point, we've gone through a lot of those details that we run into with valleys, transitions to walls, and here we have stucco walls, chimneys. All of those things are getting attention, and we're starting to tie into both remove the old and tie in the new product. So as we kind of are halfway through and we're getting onto the home stretch of finishing this project out, obviously we're going to continue putting all the new cedar down and then work towards capping all of our peaks. So once we get both sides of each roof face installed, then we need to put our ridge vent on and then our ridge caps across the top to finish that roof structure out.